Hi, this is Tom Poulin here at the Poulin Design Center. After years of hearing from you, our customer, about what your fears and concerns were, we set off in 2005 and decided to create a unique system. Our design center is specifically designed for you to come in and select your products, where you have everything here all in one place to remodel. We designed this just for you, and I want you to hear it from the Radcliffes. They're going to tell you their story about how the design center helped them.
The kitchen was very old and had been partially remodeled probably in the 90s and was literally falling apart. And the design was not functional. It was very difficult to move around, and just the functionality was just horrible, and it was falling apart. And so we had decided we were going to start saving money and that sort of thing.
We've been wanting to remodel for a really long time, and like Travis was saying, the cabinets were starting to pull apart from each other. Things were starting to break, and we've been saving up for probably about 11, 12 years now, and we just decided this was the time. We really couldn't take it any longer, and something needed to be done. We went to what we found out later was a competitor of Poulin Design Center, and we had asked them to come out and to give us a quote, and we talked to them a little bit about what we were wanting to do. They came out and they went through and answered questions that we all had, but then they never got back to us. So we never got a quote, they never called us back. So at that point, our neighbor mentioned Poulin Design Center and said that we should call them and talk to them, and that we would definitely get a quote. So we went that avenue. We decided to reach out to them and have a sit-down meeting, and it worked out really well.
It was a point of, you don't necessarily have to fix the kitchen. Why don't you build the kitchen you want? You know, and so they showed us how to do it. Or they showed us those possibilities, and we decided, yeah, that's the way we wanted to go. When we went to the Poulin Design Center, we realized that they do everything. The design center has everything that you need to get a kitchen remodel completed. You walk in, and then there's a whole area where there's multiple kitchens set up so that you can see the different types of cabinets and designs and appliances and that sort of thing that can be in your new kitchen. The design process with Tanya was also great, because she explained the possibilities and kind of the project plan right there on how the critical path goes on how to get it complete, and we thought that was awesome. And so we left there with some confidence and some, like, hey, we can do this.
Yeah. As she was talking to us about how the process would work, she mentioned that they coordinate everything on their end, which I was super excited about, because we've tried to coordinate different projects before on our own, where we have to, call a painter and call a plumber and call, different people to come out and do things. And I love the idea that it was all taken care of through Poulin.
Some advice I would give as far as getting quotes and looking at different contractors and that sort of thing would be to ask if they do everything in-house. Are there going to be subcontractors? Who takes care of that? Who takes care of all the licensing that you have to do for the city of Albuquerque? Who takes care of scheduling all the inspections when they come, how they're inspected? Who takes care, will that contractor take care of all that stuff for you? And if not, it's going to take a lot of effort on your part. If they do take care of it, you will save a lot more time. We didn't miss any work. We had to make minimal phone calls, and all that stuff was taken care of.
If you need help getting started, for the first 20 people that call 880-2500 today, we will give you our free kitchen and bath planning guide so you can get started. And hey, don't forget that on October 19th, we're having our 36th anniversary open house. So come and meet with a designer, You can experience our new virtual reality, and you can see your project before you build it. So hope to see you there.